Apple CarPlay enables you to access selected apps and functions on your iPhone wirelessly and conveniently while driving. Depending on your BMW's make and model, Apple CarPlay can be operated via various iDrive functions such as the iDrive controller, the touchscreen, or voice control. For easy use, the BMW control display adopts the familiar iPhone interface to view your smartphone's contents. No account or registration is required. To use Apple CarPlay, an iPhone 5 or newer is required, to be paired with your car just once. In case your iPhone is already on your BMW's Bluetooth device list, it must be removed and then paired once again. To do so, activate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now you can pair your phone with your vehicle. Just scroll up to the menu Communication. Select Manage Mobile Devices and then Connect New Device. Choose the option Apple CarPlay and confirm the pairing procedure on both your car's control display and your iPhone. Selected vehicle data is sent to your iPhone when using Apple CarPlay. The navigation system's main menu now displays the familiar Apple Home button, which enables you to access Apple CarPlay. Either use the iDrive controller or, in selected models, the touchscreen to operate your favorite functions such as music or telephony. Furthermore, Apple CarPlay enables the use of voice control or Siri. To activate Siri, press the voice assistant button on the steering wheel for 1 second. Now, text or WhatsApp messages can be read out loud to you by Siri, as well as being answered and sent by you via voice control. Apple CarPlay, the convenient way to use your iPhone in your car.